How to integrate HubSpot with Trello. In today's video, we'll explore how to seamlessly connect HubSpot with Trello to enhance your productivity and project management. HubSpot is a powerful tool for managing your marketing, sales, and customer service, while Trello is a fantastic platform for visual project management. By integrating these two applications, you can streamline your workflows, improve collaboration, and keep track of your tasks more effectively. To get started, first, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Integrations section. Here, you'll find the option to add new integrations. Search for Trello and select it from the list. Follow the prompted steps to authorize the connection between HubSpot and Trello, ensuring that both accounts are linked. Once integrated, you can easily create Trello cards from HubSpot. For instance, when a new lead is generated in HubSpot, you can set up an automated workflow that creates a corresponding Trello card based on specific criteria, such as lead status or the type of deal. This allows your team to visualize tasks and track progress at a glance. Another feature of this integration is syncing information. Changes made in Trello can reflect in HubSpot, ensuring your team is always on the same page. If a task is moved to a different column in Trello, you can automate updates in HubSpot to reflect its status, helping everyone stay informed about where projects stand. Furthermore, utilizing Trello's labels, checklists, and due dates allows for better organization within your projects. You can categorize tasks by priority, add relevant details and checklists, and set deadlines to keep your team accountable. Make sure to also explore the possibility of using automation tools like Zapier to create more complex workflows between HubSpot and Trello. This can save you time and enhance the functionality of both platforms.